Let's view the system communication and data flow as a user logs in to an XProtect VMS using the XProtect Smart Client. We'll look at the flow for basic users, Windows users, and Active Directory users. For basic users, XProtect Smart Client connects to the management server using HTTPS on port 443. For Windows and Active Directory users, the XProtect Smart Client connects to the management server using HTTP on port 80 and attempts to log in. For basic users and Windows users, authentication takes place on the management server. For Active Directory users, the management server contacts Active Directory to authenticate the user. The port and protocol for this step depend on the operating system and Active Directory version used in the system. If authentication is successful, the management server retrieves the user-specific configuration from the SQL Server on port 1433 using TCP. Finally, login is granted, and the management server sends the configuration to the Smart Client using TCP on port 80 or 443, depending on the type of user.